Om Sri Gurupyo Namaha. Hare Guruvayurappa Sharanam. This video, Narayaniam Dasaka 66, is Gopijana Ahlada Varnanam. This is the condensed version of Srimad Bhagavatam Dasma, chapter 29, verses 17 to 46. In the last Dasaka of Narayaniya, that is 65, Gopikas coming to Krishna on hearing Krishna's Venuganam, and gopis assembled around Krishna, leaving behind all their work only with an intention to be with Krishna. Now, Krishna looked at them with a bewitching look, but his words were not so kind. Why have you left your husbands and elders? A woman should not forsake her husband even if he is a thief or an addict. Go back and attend on them if you want to go to heaven hereafter. The gopis were abashed but would not leave. We have attained the highest. Be merciful to your devotees, Krishna. We want only to be the handmaids of Sri Lakshmi, who is always by your side. The Lord could say no more and resumed the flute and dance, and the gopis too, now encouraged, began to dance. The meaning: by thinking of God without any break, one attains Him in whatever is the manner in which He is looked upon, as an enemy, as a child, as father, or as a lover. Now we will see the slokas of Narayaniyam. Upayatanam sudrisham kusumayudabanapadavivashanam abhivanchidam vidhadum kridamadiravī ta jagathavaamamiva. Thou had decided to fulfill the desire of the beautiful women who had come to thee. They were helpless as they were struck by Cupid's arrow for thee. Yet, thou first spoke to them in an unfavorable manner. Gaganagadam muninivaham sravayidum jagida kulavadhu dharmam dharmyam khalu devajanam karmatu no nirmalasya vishwasyam. To the hearing of the sages assembled in the skies, thou stated the duties of the housewives for the benefit of the world. Indeed, thy words are to be followed, for they are in accordance with the Dharma. But the actions of these who are ever pure should not be practiced by others, because thy actions do not always conform to the good and bad standards of the world. The idea is that we should live according to Krishna's advice, but should not try to do whatever he did. He, being the Supreme Being himself, his actions cannot be judged by or understood on the basis of normal human standards, which alone apply to all of us. Being totally free from the slightest trace of egocentric desires, his actions do not leave behind any taint whatsoever. Aganyate pratibam vanim enidrisha param dīnaha mama karuna sindho parityajedi adhijiram vilebustaha. On hearing thy unfavorable speech, those doe-eyed women were very much grief-stricken. For long did they plead, saying, "O thou ocean of compassion, do not, please do not forsake us." तासां दुदितैर्लपितैः करुणाकुलमानसो मुरारे त्वं ताभिः समं प्रवृत्तो यमुनापुलिनेषु काममभिरन्तुम्. O thou slayer of Mura, moved with pity by their weeping and pleading, thou set out to sport freely with them on the sand banks of Yamuna river. चन्द्रकरस्यन्दलसदे सुन्दरयमुनातडान्तवीथीषु गोपीजनोत्तरीयैः आबादितसंस्तरोऽन्यशीदस्त्वम्. The sand banks of Yamuna was lit by beautifully flowing and shining moonlight. There those sat down on the bed, which was made by the Gopikas by spreading out their upper garments. Sumadura narmalabhanaihi karasangrahanaiश्च चुम्बनोल्लासैः गाढालिङ्गनसङ्गैः त्वं अङ्गनालोकमालुकुली च कृषे. By thy sweet and playful talks, by holding of hands, by the joy of kisses, and by close hearty embraces, thou delighted the womenfolk immensely. वासोहरणदिने यद्वासोहरणं परिसृतं तासां तदविविभो रसविवश स्वान्दानां कान्द सुभ्रुवामदधाः. On the day of the stealing of clothes, Hare, you had promised to them the stealing of clothes, that is the removal of the sense of ego. That also, O charming one, you gave to the beautiful eyed women whose minds were overcome with bliss. Kandalidharmalesham kundam mrudusmera vaktrapathojam nandasuda tvam trijagasundaram ubaguhya nandida balaha. O son of Nanda, the most resplendent one in 3 words, perspiration drops sprouted on thy body. Thy lotus face was soft with a jasmine-like smile. The damsels embracing thee were very delighted. Virahe Shrangaramaya Shringaramaya Sangame Hitvam Nidaram Angaramaya Tatrapuna Sangame Vichitramidam. In separation with thee, thou art unbearable as a burning charcoal. In union indeed, thou art an absolute embodiment of love. Oh dear one, wonderful it indeed is that in union also. Here again, the women were delighted. Radha Tunga Payodhara Sadhuparirambaloluvatmanam Aradhaye Bhavandam Pavanapuradhisha Shamaya Sagalagadana. O Guruvayurappa, I worship thee who are eager in mind to nicely embrace the bulging breasts of Radha. I pray to thee to eradicate all my ailments. Here, Radha represents the extremely ardent devotee. Bhagavan is always eager for union with his devotees. This is the actual meaning of this verse. With this, we have completed Dasakam 66 of Narayaniyam, and to end this video, we will listen to Sadi Suresh's bhajan song.
घटी घटित मेखला खचित मणि घंट पटलनिन्नदेन विप्राजमानम् कुटिलबद्धघटित संकुलसिञ्चितेन तं चतुलनटना समुज्ज्वल विलासं भावयामि गोपालबालं मनसेवितं तत्पदं चिन्तयेयं सदा भावयामि गोपालबालं मनसेवितं तत्पदं चिन्तयेयं सदा।